Today we're going to make fried channa and split peas. So we have 1 pound of channa here, and it was soaked overnight in 5 cups of water, and then we washed it and drained it this morning, and now it's dry. The spices we're going to use, we have 2 scotch bonnet peppers, we have this entire garlic, we're using the whole thing, and we have a bunch of bandonier. There's like 9 leaves. Did all the spices up and it looks like this. 4 cups of oil heating up right now to fry the channa and the split peas in. Oil's hot, we're gonna put the chickpeas in.
So we all have to cover inside, you can see that. Now we're going to cover it and let it.
Okay, so it's been in there for 20 minutes and it's done now.
We're going to take it off. See it's floating, when it's floating up.
Add the fried seasoning. And we're only gonna fry it for 30 seconds. We're just gonna add it straight to the channa.
Smells good.
Yeah, it smells really good. The pepper is burning my nose. Smell the garlic. Really, really good. Very spicy. We have 1 pound of split peas that are washed and dried and soaked overnight in 5 cups of water. Very crunchy.